Imagine Facebook ads, Google ads, and TikTok ads, but with ChatGPT. This is the future of ad creation. Say hello to our groundbreaking AI-powered prompt ad creation feature. In just a few simple steps, you can launch targeted ads across multiple platforms, languages, and business types. Let's dive in. Start by tapping the arrow to open the AI prompt generator. Add your website, preferred language, and business type, such as real estate or solar panel installer. Then, enter your brand name and tap Generate a Description to complete your prompt. You can edit this at any time to refine your ad text, targeting, or to include a special offer. Our cutting-edge integration with OpenAI's ChatGPT, along with industry best practices and safety measures, will work its magic. We generate optimal ad copy and targeting for each platform, eliminating the need for manual testing. We handle everything, creating hundreds of ad combinations to ensure the best performance. But there's more. Our AI system will also suggest the perfect audience targeting for your ads across platforms. While the targeting is recommended, you're in control. Edit any target or set up retargeting and lookalikes to precisely reach your desired audience. And guess what? Radius targeting is at your fingertips. See these fantastic visuals? We've got you covered. Our extensive library includes images and videos from Shutterstock, or you can upload your own from Facebook or Instagram. We care about your success. That's why we integrate industry best practices into our ad copy and campaign creation. Elevate your ads with our expertise. Need to capture leads? No problem. Use our intuitive lead form creator. Customize it to your liking or upload your existing form. Once done, tap and it's ready to go. Almost there. Just set your budget and voila, you're ready to launch a compelling ad campaign. Want to make any last-minute changes? No problem. Tweak your prompt, adjust your targeting, or edit your ad text with ease. And here's the best part. Our AI-powered prompt ad creation works seamlessly across all major platforms like Google Search, Facebook, and TikTok. For Google Search, we optimize with the right keywords and safety measures to effectively manage your budget. Need more keywords? Explore related options and implement radius targeting for that extra edge. Feel free to add a phone number, call extension, or customize anything to your preference. We believe in flexibility, so why wait? Unlock the true potential of your ads with our AI prompt ad creation feature today. Join us today.